inertia. So if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe the channel, like and share please. So today we are going to discuss about the topic inertia. So first of all, we will discuss that what is inertia. So properties of magnet, means the particular properties of the magnet by which it is continuous in its existing state, means that the position of the matter of an object in which that is existing. State of rest or uniform motion in a straight line unless that state is changed by an external force. We know that to change the state or position of a body, we need an external agency which is known as force. So the property of matter by which it continues in its existing state of rest or uniform motion in a straight line unless that state is changed by an external agency, or you can say force. So that is the properties of the matter or an object. So types of inertia. Actually, there are three types of inertia: inertia of rest, inertia of motion, and inertia of direction. So in rest condition, what is inertia in rest condition, or we can say inertia of rest? So I'm giving you a best example. When a carpet is beaten by static, or you can say stick, so when a carpet is beaten by stick, the carpet is set into motion. The carpet is set into motion, but due to inertia, because the condition of carpet before it was in rest position and after hitting or beaten by the stick, it go in motion. Due to inertia, the particles remains at rest. That's why the particles fall down. This is the one effect of inertia in rest position. What happens if we hit or if we beat any carpet with the help of a stick? The dust particles remains in rest position and the carpet is in motion position. That's why the dust particles of carpet fall down. This is due to the inertia of rest. In this, actually we have to remember the previous position of the body, previous condition of the body, previous position of the body. It means that before using the stick, the carpet was in rest. That's why the dust particles remains at rest and it fall down. In same way, when branches are shaken in one direction, the fruits and leaves due to inertia remain at original position due to inertia of rest. What happen if we shake simply branches of any tree or any plant? What happens? The particular fruits and leaves becomes at rest position, but the branches is in motion. Due to this, what happens? The fruits or leaves fall down because the previous position of the tree or any plant was in rest. So in same way, inertia of motion. If a body is in motion, it will continue to move at the same speed in same direction unless an external agency, that is force, applied to change its state. So on jumping, his feet touch the ground around, but the rest of body still tends to remain in motion. direction, the inability of body to change by itself its direction of motion is called inertia of rest. We know the inability of body to change by itself its direction of motion is called inertia of direction. So our protection through umbrella during the raindrops falling vertically downwards. We know rain will fall vertically downwards on the ground, cannot change the direction of the motion. We cannot change the direction of the motion, so it cannot make us wet when umbrella is up. So it is the direction of that particular rainfall is vertically downwards. So if we keep our umbrella up, the rainfall we will not get wet. This is happened because the direction cannot be changed. So this is the one of the effect of the inertia of direction. So thank you for watching the videos. Please like the channel and